Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to change your Google Chat profile picture from iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find the application on your home screen, just slide your screen into the left side until you found a app library. In the app library, you just need to simply type a Google Chat on a search button. Okay, after you find it, just click it to open it, and you can see here the pictures that you use as a profile picture for Google Chat is the same picture with the picture that you use for your Gmail account. So how to change this picture? You just need to go click these three straight lines, and after that go click settings. In this settings, go into the account, click the account, and then after that you can just click your info, privacy and security. In this section, go into the personal info, and after that go see on a profile picture. You just need to click this picture, this small picture, and after that you need to wait until you have an access to change this picture. To change it, just go click change, and you will have an access to change the picture by the illustration that given by the Google Chat or the Google, or you can also click a device photo if you already saved the picture on your device. And then after that, go click browse or take a photo. Just go click a photo library, and now you just need to choose which picture that you want to use for the account. And after you found one, for example, let's try to find mine. Okay, and after that just go click done. Hold on, wait a second, you just need to adjust in the positions, and after everything's satisfied, just go click next. You can also adjusting who can see your picture here by click this. You can choose anyone or only people that interact with you, and after that just go click done. Now can click save as a profile picture. Okay, and now your profile picture is already updated. See, the picture's already changed here. So that's all the way how to change your profile picture on a Google Chat. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.